golden hour. I'm now going to have a dinner with my mentor sensei, and all the Rigakubu people are gonna have dinner with them. So I'm on my way. It was supposed to be a OOTD video, but I guess I kind of failed, so never mind. I just can't get enough. This is my lazy lunch. I used to hate natto, but I'm trying my best to come to like it because it has so many health benefits and all. Oh no! Failed successfully. I was about to go to the Shinkan today. Shinkan is like a introduction event for the clubs and circles you want to join, and then you get the pamphlets and everything. But turns out my 2-hour nap was too long and I missed everything today. So I might go tomorrow again to take the pamphlets for the clubs I want to join and circles, yeah. I feel like this place is perfect to sit and have lunch during the bedtime. I mean lunchtime. This is the main library. Rainy day ramen. Hello everyone, happy rainy day. So today I had almost like 5-hour-long guidance session. They gave us like frontier lectures on math, physics, earth science, data science, biology, chemistry, and all of them. It took quite long, but that was kind of fun though.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I'm on it.
Hello. We're inside Miyako Mese. The reef looks stunning. Happy New Year, everyone.
And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me.
have guidance.
She has guidance. I have
Yeah, I have
pictures.
my third guidance. We're now going to 哲学の道 Philosopher's Path.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have Italian food, pasta, pizza, hanami, golden hour. 갑니다.
Living in Kyoto.
Right?
We hit the jackpot
Yes.
with Kyoto. We get to live here for free.
Yes.
What?
Looking at this view, especially during spring, every day. Come to Kyoto.
Come to Kyoto. Don't be a disrespectful tourist though.
Yes.
Respect.
Respect.
Kyoto.
Luggage-free
Keep
travel.
Kyoto beautiful.
Kyoto. We're now gonna have Indian food. We're at Maha Curry. And I'm gonna have Maha set. So good. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the love and support you've given me on the previous vlog. I appreciate it so much. Thank you, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, so good night, everyone. Mwah.